I spent 3 nights at this luxury resort in Turkey. Here's what I didn't expect when I arrived at Akka Hotels Antedon. This 5-star beachfront property in Kemer completely changed my perspective on what Mediterranean hospitality can offer. Located along the stunning Turkish Riviera, this resort promises an all-inclusive experience that blends modern comfort with traditional elegance. But does it actually deliver on those promises? The accommodation options at Akka Hotels Antedon are designed to cater to every type of traveler, from couples seeking romance to families needing space. The standard rooms, measuring approximately 30 to 35 square meters, feature modern Mediterranean decor with private balconies or terraces that offer either garden or partial sea views. Each room comes equipped with air conditioning, a well-stocked minibar, electronic safe, and contemporary furnishings that create a comfortable retreat after long days in the Turkish sun. What impressed me most was the attention to detail in the room design, with soft lighting and neutral color schemes that create a calming atmosphere. The bathrooms are spacious with marble finishes, rainfall showers, and premium toiletries that add a touch of luxury to the daily routine. For families, the hotel offers connecting rooms and family suites that provide additional space without compromising on comfort. The superior rooms and suites take things up a notch with larger living areas, upgraded amenities, and better views of the Mediterranean coastline. Some suites even feature separate living rooms and dining areas, making them perfect for longer stays or special occasions. The housekeeping service maintains exceptional standards, with rooms cleaned daily and towels changed regularly, ensuring guests always return to a pristine environment. When it comes to dining, Akka Hotels Antedon takes the all-inclusive concept seriously, with multiple restaurants and bars that cater to diverse tastes and preferences. The main restaurant serves international buffet-style meals with an impressive variety that changes daily, featuring everything from traditional Turkish specialties to familiar international dishes. The breakfast spread is particularly noteworthy, with fresh pastries, local cheeses, olives, honey from regional beekeepers, and made-to-order omelets that start each day perfectly. For lunch and dinner, guests can choose from grilled meats, fresh seafood, vegetarian options, and an extensive salad bar with locally sourced ingredients. The hotel also features specialty restaurants that require reservations but are included in the all-inclusive package. The Turkish restaurant showcases authentic regional cuisine with dishes like lamb kebabs, stuffed grape leaves, and traditional desserts like baklava made fresh daily. The Italian restaurant offers wood-fired pizzas, handmade pasta, and classic Mediterranean flavors that transport diners straight to the Amalfi Coast. Multiple bars throughout the property serve both local and international beverages, from Turkish tea and coffee to premium spirits and creative cocktails. The pool bar is particularly popular during the day, serving refreshing drinks and light snacks, while the lobby bar becomes the evening gathering spot with live music and a more sophisticated atmosphere. The quality of food consistently exceeds expectations for an all-inclusive resort, with fresh ingredients and skilled preparation evident in every meal. The pool and beach facilities at Akka Hotels Antedon are truly the heart of the resort experience, offering something for everyone regardless of age or swimming ability. The main outdoor pool is an impressive centerpiece, large enough for serious swimming, yet designed with various depths to accommodate both adults and children safely. Surrounding the pool, comfortable loungers with plush cushions provide the perfect spot for sunbathing, while large umbrellas offer necessary shade during the intense Mediterranean midday sun. The pool area features a separate children's section with colorful water features, slides, and shallow areas where kids can play safely under parental supervision. For those seeking a more tranquil experience, there's an adults-only pool area that maintains a quieter atmosphere perfect for reading or relaxing conversations. The beach access is one of the hotel's strongest features, with direct access to a beautiful stretch of Mediterranean coastline. The beach is well maintained with soft sand and crystal clear waters that are perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or simply floating peacefully. Beach service includes complimentary loungers, umbrellas, and towel service, so guests never have to worry about carrying heavy items back and forth. The hotel offers various water sports equipment including kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling gear, allowing guests to explore the beautiful coastline at their own pace. For more adventurous travelers, the hotel can arrange boat trips, diving excursions, and fishing charters that showcase the natural beauty of the Turkish Riviera from a different perspective. The beach bar serves refreshing drinks and light meals throughout the day, so guests can spend entire days by the water without ever feeling a need to return to their rooms. Activity options at Akka Hotels Antedon ensure that guests never experience a dull moment during their stay, with something available for every energy level and interest. The fitness center features modern equipment including cardio machines, weight training equipment, and free weights, allowing guests to maintain their exercise routines even while on vacation. The facility stays open extended hours and offers beautiful views of the surrounding landscape, making workouts more enjoyable than typical hotel gyms. For those preferring outdoor activities, the hotel provides tennis courts with professional quality surfaces and equipment rental, perfect for friendly matches or more competitive games. The animation team organizes daily activities ranging from water aerobics and dance classes to beach volleyball tournaments and evening entertainment shows. These programs create opportunities for guests to socialize while staying active, and the staff's enthusiasm makes even reluctant participants feel welcome. Cultural activities include Turkish cooking classes where guests learn to prepare traditional dishes, pottery workshops showcasing local crafts, and language lessons for those interested in learning basic Turkish phrases. Evening entertainment varies from live music performances featuring local artists to themed dance shows that celebrate Turkish culture and history. The hotel also organizes excursions to nearby attractions, historical sites, and natural wonders, providing convenient ways to explore the broader Kemer region. For guests seeking quieter pursuits, there are board game areas, library corners with books in multiple languages, and peaceful garden spaces perfect for meditation or quiet contemplation. The activity staff speaks multiple languages and works hard to ensure every guest finds something appealing, regardless of their interests or physical abilities. The spa and wellness facilities at Akka Hotels Antedon provide a sanctuary for guests seeking relaxation and rejuvenation during their Mediterranean getaway. The spa complex features multiple treatment rooms where skilled therapists offer everything from traditional Turkish massages to modern wellness treatments using high-quality products and techniques. The signature treatments incorporate local ingredients like olive oil, sea salt, and aromatic herbs that reflect the region's natural bounty. The facility includes both sauna and steam rooms, providing different experiences for guests who enjoy heat therapy as part of their wellness routine. The Turkish hammam experience is particularly special, offering an authentic cultural experience where guests can enjoy traditional scrubbing and massage techniques that have been practiced in this region for centuries. The spa menu includes facial treatments using natural ingredients, body wraps that nourish and hydrate the skin, and specialized massages designed to relieve tension from travel and daily stress. For couples, there are romantic treatment rooms where partners can enjoy side-by-side massages in a private, intimate setting. The wellness program extends beyond the spa with yoga classes held in peaceful outdoor settings, allowing participants to practice mindfulness while surrounded by beautiful Mediterranean scenery. Meditation sessions and breathing workshops help guests learn techniques they can take home to manage stress in their daily lives. The spa staff provides personalized consultations to help guests choose treatments that best meet their individual needs and preferences, ensuring every spa experience is both relaxing and beneficial. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.